can't believe this, guys. It's dry. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today is your first time here. Kindly hit on the subscribe button, subscribe. Today I'm going to answer all your questions about this automatic washing machine. Guys, this machine is everything you need. It's just game changer. Somebody was asking if the machine you have to rinse your clothes or something. I poured one bucket of water. It's a big bucket. But have you seen the level of the water now? I think the machine drains some of the water outside because I think it's a reservoir. There's a reservoir in the machine that reserves some of the water. Because after pouring these two buckets in this machine, look at how the level is now. It should be up than this, but it's still, so I'm thinking that it drains from that small holes down there and you have a place that is stored for rinse. That's what I think. But after you are done washing for the first wash, you can still add water to it so that you can rinse it. So now after pouring two big buckets of water in this machine, have you seen the level of the water? It's still not enough because the machine has reserved some of the water at some place that I'm not seeing. That's what I think, and that's true. So I have to add more water to the machine so that it can wash the clothes I want to wash. So in this video, we are going to do it in two folds. The one that the machine will rinse it and the one that I will rinse it manually. For those who still want to rinse it, thinking maybe the machine is not doing justice. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to do the washing. This is where I'm washing my clothes. I have heavy clothes to wash this time around. So yeah, let's go. Let's get started. Let's go wash. If in case you've not watched my other video, kindly check the description box for all the videos about this machine. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I'm here to answer all your questions. Vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them don't think you my vibe. Them don't think you my vibe. Don't think you, them don't think you. Them don't think you my eyes are set. Follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. After the machine is on, I'll check my water level, and then the machine is on 1. My water level is 6L, so it's okay. The machine is on 1. The other time we did the 1, that's the standard wash. Today we are going to do a quick wash. Because I want to raise it again, I'm choosing quick wash. So let's get started. I started already and it's 21 minutes. So let's see if the machine is working. Okay, it's working. My movements, this bad bitch bad every day. I know the look of your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, don't be somebody but don't take my energy from your cardula. In my past don't say I'll be my healer, everything I desire. I'm gonna receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get sour, come on pass it down. I go just para, come on my jigger. Okay, so we are done with the first section. That's when you are done with your washing and everything. So now what you're going to do is we pour water in it and we are going to do a wash again. This time around you can't turn it to rinse only. We will have to turn it to wash before it rinse itself and spin itself. Okay, so after we are done pouring our water, let's get straight into the washing aspect. It will wash for about some time, then it will spin itself and it will dry. Okay, so have you seen now? I'm done. The machine will do everything for you. One thing I've realized here is that anytime it's spinning, put it on a flat surface. Because the bucket was high, it was not draining well, so I have to put it on the floor for the water to go, and it was coming out of it. So make sure you have a flat surface or a bowl that is very low for the tube to be in. Have you seen the clothes? You can even feel water in my palm. Look at this one. It's dry, guys. It's dry. This is my favorite part of this machine. Everything is absolutely fine. Like, guys, there's no need when it's raining, you can't do your washing. Can't even feel any water in my palm. I'm so excited about this washing machine. Kindly contact me if in case you need one. I'll get you one as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Kindly subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Kindly comment any video you want me to bring on this channel. I'll be glad to serve you guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Peace out. Bye.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I no pull out, she got my back. But do you I'm happy that. But do you